Now for something a little harder, obviously worth more marks because it's a two-step process. Let's assume that we're going to convert 1/86 denary to hexadecimal. It's a two-step process. I can't go straight to my table. It doesn't go up as far as 186. Of course, you could make it go up to 186, but that would be a waste of your time. So I'm going to have to first of all convert this number to binary, then to hexadecimal. So 1, convert 1/86 to binary. So let's check out that method. Let's do it again. Because I'm converting to binary, I need this row. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So let's do it. 186, bigger than 128, so there's a 1 there. Let's do the math with that one. 186 minus 128. What's the betting that I get some of this wrong? That's 7, 16, that leaves 8. So I'm left with 58. I'm not going to explain the subtraction. You should do it, even if you've got to use a number line, anything. But it would be worth checking your answers at the end of the day in case you've made a mistake. So the next one's 58. It's smaller than 64, so I can't put a 1 there. So I've got to put a 1 against my 32. So I'm really taking 32 away from 58. I'll put a 0 in that position. So 2 from 8 is 6, 3 from 5 is 2, so I'm left with 26. 26 is larger than 16, so I've got at least one 16 in there. 26 minus 16, it's going to leave 0, 10, and I think you can see straight away 10 is going to be made up of an 8 and a 2. I don't even need to bother really doing the maths. If you want to continue with the maths, we'll do that at some later point. But I can put my zeros in, and that is my binary number. So I've got 1, 0, 1, 1 for those 4 bits there. Now be careful, as you can see, what I'm doing with my sort of brackets here is I'm listing the 4 bits so that I can copy them clearly, because this again is where you could probably make a mistake. And I've got my second 4 bits there, which is 1, 0, 1, 0. So now I am in my table looking at the pattern. So I'm looking for 1, 0, 1, 1. So if you want 1, 0, 1, 1, there we go. 1, 0, 1, 1 is B. So that first set of nibble there is B. This one, I can recognise that pattern straight away. That's A, but let's take a look. So 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0 is A. So the answer to that question, so 1/86 in denary is BA in hexadecimal. And I've just finished it off by, you might see this in the exam, by having a little number beneath the larger number saying which base it's in. So 10 is decimal, 16 is hexadecimal, and 1011 1010 is base 2 binary. So that's the first one. That's converting from denary to hexadecimal. In the next video we'll look at it the other way around. If we're given a hexadecimal number, how can I convert that to denary?